Out of space, nigga. Here to beat y'all asses. War child, planetary. Came to take the world by storm, transform every word, put my life in a song. It don't really matter if it's right or it's wrong. You gon' feel what we do when the mics turn on. Gonna surrender your life, we ready to fight. Like king size, spit heavy on mics, end of your hype. It's over, speech cobra, tree soldier, here to take the streets over. We told you, nigga, don't ever disrespect our clique. Get found in the ditch with your son and your bitch. It's unexpected, but fam, we prove we murderous. Top shelf verbalist with words I spit. It's simple, instrumentals get scared to hear me. I can ghost right though, I got potential clearly. I'm from Milledale, the place where the streets is watching, and getting your ass whooped is the only option. Get up, throw your hands in the air or shut up. We in your atmosphere, yo, what up? Something for the DJs to scratch or cut up. Top shelf cats, everybody, come on. Get up, throw your hands in the air or shut up. We in your atmosphere, yo, what up? Something for the DJs to scratch or cut up. Top shelf cats, everybody, come on, get up.
Baby Grand is the label that pays me. Just any beat ain't gon' amaze me. Long as my days be. You grind out, let me find out, Joe, that we twins. Maybe this will equal some spins. 90 miles separate Philly from Apple. Who claim they king, they must be out on Snapple. All work all day, make the X go. Every time I'ma hit you on the skull. I'm a radical, dramatical, I'm a terror. The flat brim hat wearer, get to that. Anyone hit with that, gon' drop 3 bras in my area, I'm gon' pop. When this world blow, find my old Pro 2 files. Buried under pounds, but they still could kill. Finally, then y'all gon' know I was a threat. Better yet, they raise up my statue. At least once I'ma catch you. Other times it might be another brother rhyme. If that's the case, pass it on.